Hi, and welcome back to another video on how to use your account on StoryBai.com. If you land on your account once you finish logging in and creating your account, you're going to see this interface, and this is your dashboard. For me, I prefer to use the dark mode than the light mode. If you want to switch between the two themes, click on the first button on your screen. Here, it's going to change to white mode. If you click on it again, it's going to change to dark mode. And this dashboard is everything you need to start your online journey on how to make money on YouTube. The niche here are selected because of those are the niche that are going viral. And those are the stories that people are working on at the moment to make money on YouTube. And each of these niche comes with 5 different stories. That means you can make up to 5 stories between 30 minutes and also 1 hour. Before you go into the niche, let's talk about your account. In your account here, we have the dashboard. Normally, if you click on it, you're going to be on the dashboard. This is your dashboard. You can see we don't have any story. There's no story we have written. If you want to start a new story, click on Start New Project. You land on this page. So let me go back to dashboard again. Here, we have everything here. Then this one that says 0 total is number of stories we have generated. The done is number of chapters that you have generated on your stories. Then the next one is going to be saved title. Save title is so powerful. Each story you are going to generate will give you access to the titles. You can save the titles if you have access to those titles. All right? I'll show you exactly how to do it depending on your plan. If you are using the basic plan, you cannot be able to save title unless you use the standard pro. That is when you can be able to save a title and still use the same title to generate more videos. Then we have the take course. The take course here is that if you are new to YouTube automation, you don't know anything about YouTube automation, the course from me, you can take the course. There is new updates coming to the course already, which will include exactly how people make money on YouTube this moment. Now, another thing here is the tools. We have tools here. The tools is basically where the tools that people use on YouTube. These are the tools that people like us that does Facebook automations use most times. We have text to image AI tools. We have text to audio AI tools. We have text to audio AI, text to video, text to audio. Those things are there's a lot of tools that are going to be added inside this space. You have Gemini, you have all of them that is going to be added inside here. We have Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Dell, Ideogram, Runway, Pika, Luma, Synthesia, 11 Labs for text to audio. You have Morph, you have Descript, you have Play. All these things are tools. Anyone you click, it will take you to the page of the website and you are good to go. Then the last one here is going to be inside your main profile. Click on your profile, you have your profile, and this is how your profile looks like. You can see I'm currently on the Lifetime Pro account, right? And this is everything is activated. Activated this account through the admin area. On your own, it's going to pay the money. Then if you want to delete your account, you click on delete my account. If you hit on this delete now, every detail you have on the platform will be wiped out. Everything you have will be completely wiped out. So in order for you not to delete your account, just leave it. Click on cancel, and we have the analytics. This analytics is where it shows you the token usage from your connected API gateway for your stories based on the AI gateways that you have connected previously. Then we have the referral programs. You can make money referring people to StoryBai.com. You can earn up to 5% of every purchase of every person that subscribe to any paid plan. And currently now we are supporting only Nigerian banks. Mobile money can come later. So you make money when somebody uses your referral link to register on the platform and subscribe to a paid plan. Of course, before they use the plan or before they use the platform, they must subscribe. So you are highly going to make a lot of money for any plan that they subscribe to. Then on these bank details, you select the bank they are using. Then you put the account number here. All right. Then you put the account name and you click on Save Payout Account. So anytime you have up to 1,000 Naira, you can request a payout and the money will be sent to your account instantly. Then we have the wallet. This wallet is where you see your total balance and how to withdraw every single money you have made. If I come to mobile money, you can see mobile money payouts are coming soon. We have the API gateway. This is where you see all the connected API gateways you have. You can make the API gateway to use a single provider or you use all provider. Let's say you have Gemini, you have API from Gemini, you have ChatGPT, you have Cloud, you have other API gateway that are connected to your account. If you want to use only one single one, you select one provider and select the one that is connected. If you want to use all of them, you click on select use all provider. So means that if you select use all provider, if one provider is failing based on network issues or overload, it's automatically switched to the next provider, which is something very unique. So this is exactly how to use your account. In the next video, we're going to walk you through on how to start generating stories. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.